With a major show of strength ahead of the upcoming elections, the TIPRA Motha party organized a large-scale electoral rally today in the 15th Jirania constituency. The event was held in support of the party's nominated candidate, Jagadish Debbarma. The procession commenced from the Mandai Hospital premises, traversing through key areas of the constituency before concluding in the Gharmani field. The event saw a robust turnout, including several prominent youth and senior leaders such as Chini Debbarma and Lemon Debbarma, alongside various key party functionaries and grassroots activists.
nomination submit kami yagulo ahai no jeng oro 26 27 28 ini 6 tarik April jora 9 emini sal baru robo bari tange 2019 tebo kebang kai TIPRA buma bodol song sikala bodol ro TIPRA Motha ro anoya buba garno komplek hanya bagai asung satong giri tini rang pusari achung alka party hai jotono khada bai jeng buba garno matu bonai payo Chini bishas mo 2026 edisi tongmayo tebo gobang bo margin bai TIPRA Motha koblai.
Reported by Malin from Mandai, Chini Khorang.